Hello, this is Nevis again, and I'm going to go and check the classroom because I know there's a new assignment and I'm going to see how to do this assignment as a student. So here is the Google Classroom homepage, and the new assignment came in with Class 2D. Let's go and have a look at what to do, how to do this assignment. So here it is here, film review template. Now, we've been having some issues about understanding how to actually create a film review. So because we want everyone to basically do exactly the same thing, I've gone ahead and actually created the film review template. Now, I've done a PDF for you to have a look at, which has some instructions on it, and I've also put in a video which actually refers to the old assignment. So let's have a look at, first of all, at this point I can either read the instructions and open the PDF here. This is the PDF only for instruction, or I can just open the assignment, and again I'll see the instructions over here. And I notice that there is a document down here which has my name on it. And this is the document that I'm actually going to write on. So I'm going to open that up. While that's opening, we'll go back here. And this is information. So let's have a look at the PDF. PDF is just to show me what the layout will look like. So this is the layout of a film review that we are going to stick to using for class. Over here, we're going to write the film title. If we want, we can add an image up here, but you can add the images anywhere you like. I've just done this, but the rest has to remain the same for everybody. So you can either add the image up here, or you can add it in the second page. It's not a problem. Over here, in this box, over here, you'll be writing the genre, the year the movie was made, the language it was made in, and the country that it was filmed in. And sometimes you might have two countries. You might have UK, USA, or you might have USA, Italy, or you might have UK, Italy, or whatever. Put the country or countries in here. Film director, main actors, short summary. What I've done here is I've started the paragraphs for you. So all you need to do is basically continue writing in here. Where there are brackets, remove the whole phrase because that's just giving you instructions. Now this bracket here is referring to this colored box down here, and it's saying we want about 200 words. You must separate the paragraphs, check your spelling and grammar, use punctuation where necessary, like commas, full stops, etc. But we do want to see it in this format. Then this part here, in my opinion, always goes last. We don't want to start with, in my opinion, at the beginning. We want, in my opinion, or my opinion goes at the very end if you have an opinion. If you don't have one, you don't need to put one in. There is no obligation to have an opinion on a movie, but most of you do. But that goes at the end. I know that in Italy there's a common practice to put the opinion at the start, but we don't want to do that. So as I note here in this information box, I say you can use a second page for larger images, so you can create a second page. Let's go over to the document now. So we'll just get out of the PDF. PDF is for you to keep, so you can either look at it here, add it to your drive, not a problem. If you want to add it to your drive, what you can do is also do this, open the link in a new tab, and it's opening up here. This is the PDF. Now see this little symbol up here that says add to drive. So all I need to do is click on it, and it's added automatically to my drive. It's already there. And I'll go and have a look at that later. I can organize it and put it in a folder, but you don't need to. You only have normally one class in your drive with Google Classroom. So unless you have other classes, then we'll work out how to get to everything. But it's quite easy. I'll show you another video. Okay, so it's already now in the drive. It's been added to your drive. It's there. So you won't lose it. Let's go back here. This is the document that we opened. This one here. We don't need to use this. We don't need this. Okay. And we don't need this. Alright. All we need is this. Okay. So we need to just click on this document. Nothing else. Alright. There we go. Let's go back. Let's go into the document. And here we are. So, this is the document. It already has my name on it. And it already has the title. Film Review Template. What I may want to do is get rid of this. Because it's no longer going to be a template. It's going to be my film review. So, in this case, the film most of you are talking about is Freedom Writers. So, let's go in. Freedom Writers. Okay? Here, genre is drama. The year it was made, I don't have the year, but anyway, so go in here, put the year, the language, it's English. If you like, you can also write English USA, country that it was filmed in, USA. Okay, here the name of the director, so I'm going to remove that and put the name of the director. I'm going to go get it. Just bear with me. Okay, so I've gone to IMDb. I've got it open here on the other screen, and I'm looking at the details. The year it was filmed was 2007, and it's a biography crime drama. So you can actually write all that in if you like. Biography. Okay. There's an image here which you can, if you click on it, you can actually change the image. But if you do change, when you do change the image, make sure that you write the link where you got the image from in the links below, down here. On the left, if you want to know how to open here, it's called struttura, and you can actually see it here. Okay, that's the outline of the document, and in Italian it's called struttura. So just tick on it like this. It's not there, and if you click on it, it appears. Okay, and when you, now this has already been set up for you, so it just means if you click on it, it'll take you there. So the main actors. Now let's go. Oh, sorry. Here the film director is, and here we have the main actors. Okay, so I've just put in 3, but you can put in as many main actors as you like. Then film summary. I'm now going to say the movie set in high school. Now I'm just going to use what I've already written here. The film talks about or tells the story. I'm just going to write the film talks about. Now at this point I can go on and talk a little bit about, a little bit more about the movie, the story rather, and then here I can go and talk about the characters. So I might want to talk about Erin Gruel, who is the teacher, talk about her and describe what she does in the movie, or what something about her, and maybe 1 or 2 of the other actors and what they represent. Then in conclusion, the best qualities of the movie, what you thought were or what you can see were the best or worst qualities of the film, and the message of the film or the theme of the film was. And just write in here. So always make sure that you have your paragraphs, and then down the bottom here just leave these headings in. See, it'll take us to the heading. So leave the headings, and in here, in my opinion, the film is worth seeing, especially if you are interested in. If you want to leave that, you can, and then go on and write what your opinion is. Okay? Then if you want, you can put a link in here. So I'm going to do this, IMDb, where I just got the information from. Hyperlink it. I'm going to get the link, copy, paste the link in. That's it. And that will take me to the page. Just show you how it works. It'll take me directly to the Freedom Writers there. Okay? That's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, so once you've done this, once you've filled it in, this is what it should look like. If you want to change the image, remember all you do is click on it. The image is actually inside the header section, if that makes any sense. So that's why that opens up when you click on the image. If you click like this, so you'll notice that image is actually in the background. So that's basically it. Once you've done that, you can either click up here to submit the work, or you can go back here and submit. But as you'll see, this actually takes us here. It's saying, are you ready to send in the film review? Remember how we took off the template there? That's it. I'm going to press submit. Now, once the teacher sees this, if she's happy with my work, she might make a comment here. She might say, well, I noticed it's not finished, and I'll see the comment. This is my comment, but I'll see a comment from the teacher here. If that's the case, all I need to do is to take it back. Yes. Fix it up. See, it's back to normal. If I open it up, it's exactly the same document. At the same point, nothing's happened to it, but once I submit it, I won't be able to change it. So in order to go in and change anything, to modify it, I do need to actually take it back. Now, you'll notice here, because I've actually got it open here as well. So all of a sudden, there's two people looking at it, but it's the same. It's always me. So I'll just close one, and it's gone. Okay, that's it. That's how simple it is. Hopefully, that was clear. So I want to see every single student with exactly the same document, but with their own interpretation of the film summary. Oh, by the way, one last thing. I did show this in class, but just in case, how to find the words, the word count. So go into tools or strumenti in Italian, and word count in English, or conteggio parole. Click on it, and there it is. It's telling me I've already reached 141 words. Now, as I explained today, if you go into the 250, 300 words, that's okay. Please do not go into 600, 700 words. That is no longer a film review. That is then a spoiler review. Okay, thank you for listening. See you in class.